Right now, no one is watching you. No one is expecting you to win. And that is the greatest gift you will ever have. Because if no one knows your name, you are free. Free to fail in private, free to experiment, free to become unstoppable even before no one notices. Fame is a spotlight, and spotlight show every mistake, but you are in the shadow. You can make 100 ugly drafts. You can fail 50 times and take a long shot without no one judging. Think about the legend you admired. They all started invisible. The singer who practiced in basement for years, the writer whose first 10 books were never sold, the entrepreneur who launched 3 failed companies before the big ones. When no one knows you, you have time to build quietly. No critics, no pressure, just work. And by the time the world notices you, you are not just starting, you are already dangerous. So stop wishing for instant attention. Stop craving for spotlight before you are not ready. Use those quiet days to take risks, to learn, to develop skills, and to build without fear. Support your brother on this journey by subscribing. Thank you and God bless you.